Hey loves, it's Stephanie, and I have another unboxing for today. It is the final unboxing for today, and yes, this one is from Selfridges, and if you don't know, you don't know, but if you know, you know. At Selfridges, you can purchase luxury items and I don't know what else. Very nice packaging here. You can purchase at overseas prices. Save yourself quite a bit of money, even with duties and taxes. I think I paid the extra $98 to get this particular bag and this particular piece. I will list all of that in the description below for you to be able to find. They pack them very well, as you can see. Comes with a return label and slip. Packed very nicely in a Selfridges package. They do gift packaging, I think for like $6 extra. You can get like a gift box or something. But, and you can also pay, I think it's like $55 and get free shipping for the year. And if you're gonna purchase quite a few items from them within a year, would definitely recommend doing that. It is definitely worth it. So, let's see the bag in the box, right? In the box, in the bag. And cute, it's got a little Selfridges dust bag that the box comes in. It's a St. Laurent piece. It is the, I believe it's called the Mini Loo. I think that's, here, I'm gonna let you see this up close. There we go. And beautifully packaged. St. Laurent always does this beautiful light dust bag. Little gift card that has our care booklet. And it has our little right there. I'm gonna take a look at her. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, 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 yes. Perfect, just perfect. This is exactly what I was hoping that she would be, and it's exactly what I wanted. I wanted a good little, you know me, I go to the casino a lot, and or casino hop a lot, and yeah, when we travel, we do a lot of, well, have done a lot of traveling to different casinos, and I love it. Everything from Atlantis to Philadelphia, Mississippi, you know, so we just love to go and commune. And this particular size bag and style I found for me is probably one of the best. So I'm very excited about her. Oh goodness, oh goodness. And I had purchased the bill pouch. As a starter, I always get some small SLG to test out the waters, see how I like a particular brand, and got really disheartened when after everybody got hyped about these bags and purchased them, then all of a sudden you saw them on sale everywhere for like hundreds of dollars less than what, and I'd be so mad. I'd be so mad if I'd purchased them then, and then then they marked it down, within 6 months. Not marked it up, but marked it down. And so I was like, oh, no, 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 no. And I was about to give up on St. Laurent. And St. Laurent has now had them take their name off of the extra sales list everywhere. And they've gotten serious about keeping the game up with the big kids. And so that I'm happy. And then I said, okay, well, Selfridges is probably the only place left that you're going to be able to get St. Laurent at a discount now then, if that's the case. I'm not absolutely positive. I'm just going by things I've heard her say. Really sorry, but if you remove me, you can't return me. Okay, well, let's check her out then. Let's take these stuffing out. And there's a 1, 2, 3 card slot leather patch sewn onto the inside of the bag. I believe, yes, the inside of the bag is leather as well. And this is the caviar leather that's like Chanel's, Chanel-ish. Of course, don't shoot me. I realize that Chanel is probably a lot better quality. My Chanel girls out there. But it is the caviar leather. So that means it's more durable and won't show up scratches or things like that. Be low maintenance, very low maintenance. Has a beautiful little tassel here on the side. In this particular bag, I chose the silver hardware, and ooh la la, that changes, sparkles and shines. My mercy. Yes. Yes, that is a gorgeous piece. I was hoping that it would be dressed down enough to be wear some for every day. But after seeing this chain, I'm not sure about that. That's, wow. It's beautiful. Really is pretty. Really is pretty. And it has a phone slot, if you want to call it that, or a back pocket slot here in the back. I'm not sure if my phone is going to fit that. But, yes, and it's just big enough to probably hold your cards in the side and hold your phone and a few other things, your necessities. But it's a camera bag, guys. What can I say about it? It's a camera bag. And so we love a good camera bag, right? The strap is not adjustable, but I did love the fact that it has the leather piece on the top for my shoulder. Got some bony shoulders, and this one has had work done, so it's got a wide pin. But anyway, yes, this is just absolutely gorgeous. It is definitely going to be worth the money. The leather is beautiful and shiny. Very, very, very nice. Very nice. So, and that's a straw. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Ooh la la, the tassels, ooh la la. Oh, I'm loving it. Okay, this is so cute. This is so cute, and it is comfortable, and it's lightweight, and my phone is going to be heavy enough in here. It's long enough and big enough to actually hold tickets from the casino and stuff like that. But in my phone, and that'll be enough for what I take in and out and stuff like that. So this is a good one for me. I may look at like maybe a mid-sized bag at some point with YSL, but meanwhile I'm enjoying their little clutches and little tassels and things. They have a new patent leather bag that a wristlet, or what do you call it, pouch, excuse me. They have a new patent leather pouch at Harrods that I'm eyeballing. Leave me one. So they're gorgeous. But yes, Selfridges did a fantastic job. Mwah. Thank you, Selfridges. Thank you, St. Laurent. And we're going to enjoy this bag for a long, long while. So yeah, I think she's going to be in the family for a long time. And I'm going to let you see a little bit closer view of her. See how that just sparkles and shines. Get a little bit better view of her inside. And let's see card slots. And that's hard now. Like I said, I think I paid an extra $98 for the duties. And but even with the extra, I think I saved somewhere between $200 and $400 purchasing this bag from Selfridges. So don't give up hope if you can't find St. Laurent on sale anymore. There's a reason behind that, and a good reason. So we kind of want to just hold her fast.